What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera shutter lag in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on app management and scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all your data basically means factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos and other data in your device. It will be destroyed. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. Now press and hold your power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.